really do believe in looking at a learning style of a child rather than, if I do an evaluation, I'm not just looking at, how delayed they are, but I'm actually looking at what strengths the child brings to the table. So those are, looking at a child's learning style is one of the most important things that I'm looking at when I evaluate kids. I do feel like there are 3 different types of learners, and you can be a combination of all of them, but there's the visual learners, so the kids that really love puzzles and stacking and organizing and building things and coloring and things like that. And then we have the auditory learners that are, they tend to have not a lot of difficulty with vocabulary. They sing songs and they're very, they just can remember things that they hear. And then we have the kinesthetic learners that are very hands-on. They get the bad rap. They tend to be more active in play and move around a lot. I think that early intervention services and speech therapy can help actually all learners, but especially being proactive to, say, a visual learner or a kinesthetic learner, because those children tend to really overly focus on looking at things and not paying attention to adults or communication. And then our kinesthetic learners that explore and learn through movement, touching, grabbing, jumping off of things, and they have very little patience to communicate their needs. So rather than say, I want this, it's go in and grab it. And so they tend to get a bad rap, unfortunately, in like a daycare situation, in a preschool situation, because they tend to be the grabbers rather than verbally communicating what their needs are. So we can really help all kinds of learners, really. It's just determining what kind of learner each child is. It's really, really important for a parent to realize what kind of learner they are and then what kind of learner their child might be. And to see if, for the reason being that can be very helpful for the parent to adapt to the child's learning style and help promote learning by the way they learn, not by the way the parent learns. Learning styles is what I think the basis of our theory at Speech Goals is about, is finding out what type of learner every child is, and then giving some suggestions as to how to promote language based on that learning style.